In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a custom Shopify store with Lovable full integration tutorial. We'll start by getting your custom page designed in Lovable, then bring it into Shopify so it displays beautifully on your store. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Lovable and click through to the official Lovable site. Once you're on the dashboard, the key to getting a great result is writing a high-quality prompt. Be specific and direct about what you want. Clearly state the purpose of your website, who the target audience is, and the overall tone or style you're aiming for, whether that's clean and minimal, modern, corporate, or friendly. List the exact sections you need, such as a hero, features, testimonials, or FAQs. Include your color palette and preferred fonts to keep the design on brand. Tell it which buttons you need, like Shop Now or Contact Us, and the primary actions you want visitors to take, such as signing up, buying, or getting in touch. The more precise your instructions, the better Lovable will match your vision. When your prompt looks solid, click Submit. After Lovable generates your page, click Publish to make it live. If you see a second Publish confirmation, click Publish again to finalize. Then copy the public URL Lovable provides. We'll use that to embed your page inside Shopify. Now switch over to your Shopify admin. In the left sidebar, open Online Store, then choose Pages. Create a new page and give it a clear title that matches the content you just built. In the page editor, locate the Show HTML option so you can paste code directly. We're going to embed your Lovable page using an iframe, which Shopify officially supports for custom embeds. Paste an iframe snippet, then replace the placeholder that says Your Lovable URL with the published Lovable link you copied earlier. Be sure it starts with HTTPS for secure embedding. For a smooth layout, set the width to 100% so it's responsive, and choose a generous height so the whole page displays without awkward scroll bars. You can fine-tune that height later if needed. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your custom Lovable page is now integrated into Shopify. You've guided the design with a strong prompt, published it, and embedded it cleanly using Shopify's supported HTML editor. If you want to refine the look, simply update your prompt in Lovable, republish, and your embedded page will reflect the changes as soon as the public URL serves the new content.